Hey, in this short video, I'll show you 3 simple tools in CapCut that make your clips feel more alive. Keyframes, speed controls, and clip animations. I'll keep it quick and practical so you can follow along and try each step as you go. To create smooth movement, use keyframes in the Transform panel. Select your clip, open Transform, and click the small diamond to add a keyframe where you want the motion to start. I want it at the start of the clip. Move the playhead forward a bit, change the scale value, and another keyframe diamond will appear for scale. Play it back, and you'll see the clip smoothly zoom between those 2 points. The same diamond icon shows up on other settings too, so you can animate position, rotation, or anything else in the Transform section. If you want to change how fast a clip plays, go to Speed. Drag the slider to the right to speed the clip up, or to the left to slow it down. If you need an exact length, type the duration directly, for example, 7.5 seconds, and press Enter. CapCut will automatically adjust the clip speed to match that time. Let's undo this. To add quick press-it moves, open the Animation tab. You can pick an animation to start the clip, an out animation to end it, or a combo that does both. For a clean finish, choose an out effect like Zoom 1 and shorten its duration to about 1 second so the transition feels snappy but not drawn out. Try mixing keyframes with a speed change and a small out animation on the same clip. It often looks much more polished than using any one effect alone. If you found this helpful, try these steps on a short clip and see how the feel changes, then use what works for your style.